Come on, Kroxie, come here, come here. Come here, Kroxie, come here. Queenie, bleib, bleib, bleib. Queenie's got her tail half down. It looks like he might even be in already. Queenie, bleib, Queenie, bleib, Queenie, Queenie, bleib, bleib, bleib. Yeah, he's in already. Hey, Queenie, nine, Queenie, nine, Queenie, nine. Okay, Queenie, it's okay. Okay, bleib, bleib. Very good. Very good, Queenie, bleib. Houd nie, Kroxie. Queenie, bleib. It's okay. She'll settle down, Okay, Queenie. Okay, Queenie. Nine, Queenie. Oh. Well, this is a successful tie here. And Watchman German Shepherds. We're just going to end it here. I'm going to keep them tied up as long as they stay. But that video says all you got to know. Typically 15, 30, 40 minutes they stay tied. And so I'm going to pay some attention to Queenie, calm her down. It's George, Watchman German Shepherds. Appreciate you subscribing, liking, sharing, comments, questions, all that. The Lord bless you as you trust Him. Have a great day.